Alright, so today we're going to talk about proportional relationships. I want everybody to take out their handout that looks like this at the top that says proportional relationships. So the definition, two quantities are proportional if they have a constant ratio or unit rate. So let's just review what this means. Constant ratio means that simplified ratios are equivalent. So let's just write that down. Simplified ratios are equivalent. I'm running out of room. What does that mean? That means something like 8 over 1 is equivalent to 16 over 2 is equivalent to 24 over 3. Because if you reduce either of these, you then get 18 over 1. So, constant unit rate. The first thing that I want to talk about, let's remember, a unit rate is a ratio of two different types of units where the ratio is simplified so that the denominator is 1. So rate means two different units, and in a unit rate, the denominator means 1. So a constant unit rate means that when the rates are reduced to their unit rate, they're equal to each other. When rates are reduced to their unit rate, they are equal. So here's an example. The Smith is throwing a pizza party. Pizza Gut charges $8 per medium pizza. Here is a table that represents the cost for the different number of pizzas ordered. Right here you have the cost, $8 for one pizza, $16 for two pizzas, $24 for three pizzas, $32 for four pizzas. I just had to switch slides, but the cost of an order is proportional to the number of pizzas ordered because, well, if we take this right here, this is already in unit rate form. If we change 16 over 2 down to unit rate form, we're going to divide by 2. We're going to get 8 over 1, so this matches right here. 24 over 3, let's divide this out to unit rate form. We're going to get 8 over 1. Again, it matches. And then $32 for 4 pizzas. If we change this into unit rate form, again, we're going to get 8 over 1. So this table right here is proportional because all of the unit rates are constant. Here's another example. Now we can see there's two different tables here. Which situation represents a proportional relationship between the hours worked and the amount earned for Matt and Jane? We need to explain. Alright, so let's look at Matt's earnings. He has $12 for 1 hour. So as a rate, this is going to be $12 per hour. Now we have $20 for 2. So as a unit rate, if we divide this by 2, this is actually going to be $10 per hour. And then 31 over 3, we divide this out, this is going to be, we're going to round this to the nearest hundredth, $10.33 per hour. So we can tell right now, these three values are not the same. This is not going to be proportional. So this is not non-proportional. I'm just going to abbreviate that one. Now let's look at Jane. So again, she has 12 to 1. This is going to be $12 per hour. 24 to 2, when we simplify this to a unit rate, this is gonna be $12 per hour. I'm gonna take 24 divided by 2, and now 36 over 3. Divided that out, again, this is gonna be $12 per hour. So this represents a proportional relationship, because all of the unit rates are matching at $12 per hour. Number 2, the Vista Marina rents boats for $25 per hour. In addition to the rental fee, there is a $12 charge for fuel. Is the number of hours that you can rent a boat proportional to the total cost? Explain. So we're going to need to fill out a table right here. So let's just think about this. A rental time of 1 hour. It says it's $25 per hour, and there's also a $12 charge for fuel. So for this first hour, we have $25 plus our $12 fuel charge. So this is our 1 hour here. So this is going to equal not 27. What am I saying? Let's erase this. $37. I'm going to fill this in here on my table. Now, we have for 2 hours, we have our $25 per hour charge times 2 plus our $12 fee. So this is going to be 50 plus 12, $62. Now let's do 3 hours. We have our $25 an hour charge times 3 hours plus our $12 fuel fee. When we add this up, we have 75 plus 12. That's going to give us 87. So now the question here is this proportional? Well, let's start here. We have 37 over 1. That's going to give us $37 per hour. The next one, we have 62 over 2. That's going to give us 31 per hour. You can already see right here that these are not the same, so this is not going to be proportional, but if we finish this out, 87 over 3 is going to give us $29 per hour. So, is the number of hours you can rent the boat proportional? The answer is no. The explanation is that the rate varies. Oops. Sorry about that. Rate varies from $37 per hour to 29. I don't know why that keeps happening. Alright, now I want you to go ahead and flip the paper over. The top of the page is going to look like this. For exercises 1 through 3, use the table of values. Write the ratios in the tables to show the relationship. So when that says show the relationship, we're looking for is this proportional or non-proportional. The ratio here, 1 hour, $15. So we have a ratio of $15 per hour. Next, $30 for 2 hours. We're going to take 30 divided by 2. We're going to get $15 per hour. This is shaping up looking like it's going to be proportional, but I do warn you, you need to do all of them to get full credit and to see if there's the one last value might be unproportional. Okay, so we have 45 over 3. Again, this is going to be 15 per hour. 45 divided by 3 is 15. And now we have 60 divided by 4. And it's going to be 15 per hour. So this one is proportional. I would like you right now to pause the video and do number 2 and number 3 on your own. right, number 4. For exercises 4 through 8, use the table of values. Write proportional or non-proportional. So right here, we're going to have to figure out if these proportional or not proportional. So right here we have 99 cents per hour. If we take 198 and divide it by 2, that's going to give us 99 cents per hour. This looks like an N, it's actually an H. 297 for 3 hours. Again, we are going to divide that out. 297 divided by 3 is going to give us 99 cents per hour. And last but not least, 396 for 4 hours. If we divide that out, and again, we're just taking 396, dividing it by 4 in your calculator, you're going to get 99 cents per hour. So the answer is, this is proportional. All of the unit rates are constant. So number 5, $17.25 per hour. As a unit rate, this is going to be $17.25 per hour. Next, we have $35.50 divided by 2 hours. I'm going to run out of room, so let me erase that. Just showing you how I'm going to set that up. When you divide that out, that is going to be $17.75 per hour. So right here, you can already tell that this is going to be non-proportional. And I don't even need to do the rest because I know right there that they're not constant, so it's not going to be proportional. What I would like you to do is to pause this video. Actually, I'm just going to end the video, and you can go ahead and you can finish 6, 7, and 8 on your own. Alright? See you tomorrow.